How to check American Express credit card statements online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to americanexpress.com. On this website, you want to click on the login option. Now on the login portal, enter your user ID, then enter your password. Now you can select your account type from this drop-down menu. If you want your details to be remembered, check the box that says Remember Me and click on the Login option. In case you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on this link. If you are new to this, you can create an account by clicking on this link. Now, once you have been logged in, you will be taken to your account summary. Here you can overview your American Express accounts, including your credit cards. You simply want to click on the credit card account for which you want to view these statements. Click on the card or account to access its details. Then you want to look for the option of statements. Click on that option and you will be able to find your recent statements. In the statements section, you should be able to see a list of available statements sorted by date. Click on the statement you want to view or download. American Express provides a statement in PDF format which you can view online or download for your records. If you face any difficulty during this process, you can directly contact the customer service of the bank. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.